Hi traders, welcome to the week ahead. GJ here. Let's get the housekeeping out of the way. This video is only for educational purposes. It expresses my own opinions. It doesn't offer financial advice. By watching this video, you agree not to hold the distributors of this video responsible for any of the ideas and opinions expressed. Trading in the currency market is high risk, and because of the high leverage that is used in trading, you can stand to lose some or all of your money. If you have any doubt about trading in the currency market or feel you need investment advice, then you need to go to qualified and registered financial advice before any investment is made. Out of here. Right. There's not a lot to yap about. A lot of the currency pairs are just holding in that range, sideways range, and I just think the market's waiting to see what happens after the third, which is the election results at the end of the third, which is the close of the US elections, and I'm expecting the possibility of quite a little bit of volatility around things at times leading into the third, and a few days afterwards, and it could be a long drawn out battle as if things are contested. If we just don't know, we just have to wait and see. So I'm going to start with the dollar index. Yes, we've moved up. Last week we just moved up, and we're retesting this here. If we get a break above here and a significant move up further, we may get those bearish moves, particularly in the Aussie USD and New Zealand USDs that we've been looking for. But nothing too exciting to report here. But keep your eye on it, because if the dollar does begin to show strength and a decent surge, as long as it's not just some wild spike that turns around and goes back the other way, just keep your eye on those two pairs, especially the Aussie USD and New Zealand USD. Aussie CAD, it certainly is close to a setup, either a bounce up here, but I tend to think that the technicals are suggesting that a bearish move is in the making, and again, it's just simply watching your levels. I've got opinion orders sitting under here. If this should turn around and give us a bullish candle formation and start to take out these highs, I'd be interested in having a little bit of a play with the idea of a retest up into here. Aussie Swiss, technically, I don't think it's going much higher. I do have an alarm set under here. It's not something that I trade south normally. I like to trade it north and get into trades like this. Good carry trade. Aussie JPY. I think a lot of the yen pairs are setting up for potentially a move bearish. So I see the yen weakening, but only time will tell. I do have pending orders sitting under here on the Aussie JPY. Aussie New Zealand, they're all similar to the Aussie cross pairs. You can see that they've broken key support areas. We're just waiting for a retest, a good candle formation to suggest we're going south, and you should be okay if you wanted to enter in on the Aussie USD critical area again here. Technically bearish, but anything can happen. CAD Swiss, there's no trade. CAD JPY, I'm really interested in this. It has to turn around for me, then take out this bottom here. And if I'm right about the yen strengthening and being a little bit stronger as we go into 2021, we'll see, should get some trading opportunity on the yen crosses. There's nothing on the Swiss JPY. Euro AUD, hasn't eventuated. Last week I was hoping get a play down and a retest of these levels, but nothing has eventuated, so we wait. Good things take time, eh? And we just keep an eye on the levels. And this we could get a move up. If we get a good forming bullish signal here, taking out this level, I would be putting my hand up and getting in. There's nothing on the Euro CAD. Just watching this for the bottom. If during the week I get a little bit of a bullish signal, there's a scalp there. Not a lot of pips in it. Potentially to retest that level there. I'm not going to try and pull trades out of the hat. They're just not there at the moment, and so patience. This Euro Swissy has continued to move down from here, but it's a slow bait to China. Right now, if I was still holding this, I would be getting out. Euro Pound, still waiting to see how the Euro and European Union parting package, as it were, plays out. I would really love to get a move down, but won't be surprised if we get a retest and we just continue to go sideways here. Now, Euro JPY have been in this, taking profit. Now I'm waiting to see if I can get a break below this level here at 121,500 roughly. And I would be interested in taking it south further. Failing that, I'll just wait for a retest to see if this resistance holds, and then I may get that opportunity. And this could be weeks before it sets up, if at all. There's nothing on the Euro ZD. I'm just sitting here. It certainly seems to be holding this bottom, the support area. And if it does, it could provide a little opportunity for a scalp north. And again, I'd want to see a bullish signal and taking out the high of Friday's candle here. Euro USD. Earlier in the week, I was kind of hoping that we'd get a bounce up here, but we got a nice little move down. And so now I'm just going to wait. I'm out of my trades and wanting, looking at a break of 1.16. If we get a break of that, I think that we've got a good chance of retesting this bottom, especially if we see some strength in the USD. Pound AUD. It's probably the trade that I'm watching the most at the moment. If we screw this up here, you can see that it looks like this bottom is wanting to hold. And if it does, I'm looking for a bullish signal in here. And if we can take out these highs in here, I'll dip my toe in the water very lightly with some low lot sizes, and then add to it if I get a break here. We'll have to wait and see. But Pound New Zealand is looking a little similar, and those are the 2 pound pairs that I've got my eyes on, hoping, because there's no guarantees, that I'll get some sort of decent trade through there. Pound Caddy, nothing, just sideways movement. Pound Swiss is the same. I'm really itching to get into this one. I'm looking for a break of this consolidation range here and a move up, and at least a retest of these highs up here. Pound JPY, well, didn't get it. Was hoping to get a break of this level here, and this could just be another swing before it moves higher. But as long as this area here at 136,500 holds, I think there's a chance here that it could bounce off the bottom side and, pardon me, begin to come lower. Pound ZD, looking for a candle formation off here to go north. We'll wait and see what offers up. Pound USD. Just the no man's land again. Pretty narrow range through the week, last week, and this 1.30 is a critical area. If we're going to get up and move higher, we've got to get up there, form a decent bottom for it to launch off, and that could take a number of days, maybe weeks, if it was going to do that. So I'm just going to leave the pound pairs probably to the London breakout and just continue to trade my London breakout strategy and pick up a few nickels and dimes so I don't get too bored. There's nothing on the New Zealand caddy. Again, to me, it didn't take out the slow, so that sort of hints to me that maybe we just got to get a whole lot of range bound stuff over the next few weeks till after Christmas. Nothing on the New Zealand Swissy. Looks like it's bottoming out, but I think this will come lower just like the Aussie Swiss as well. New Zealand USD. Again, this is the critical area here at 66. If we can get it close below and we take out this here, I am going to be in. I can assure you. Technically, I do believe it's bearish, more than bullish. Nothing on the US caddy. I'm hoping that this will hold, and if we see some unexpected strength in the US dollar, this could be worth a little shot up, and the pound, USD Swissy is the same. It's just, there's nothing to, I could talk about these more and expand this and that option and every other option, but it's just not worth it. Bottom line, there's not a lot of opportunities right now. And so for me, it's just playing it safe, staying on the sidelines. If I get a break at this level here on the USD Swissy, I will be dipping my toe in the water and retesting the side here. USD Japan, still holding between 105, 104. If this thing's going to go low, it's got to close below 104. And if we get a close above 105, well, I would expect a retest of 106. And that could be worth a little scalp. But again, keep your stop losses tight, protect your capital, and be careful with it. Gold just flattening off here around 1877, still just edging sideways, same as silver. My key level, if I'm going to take any trades north of these areas in here, I would not be surprised, despite everybody saying gold's headed north, headed north, headed north. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a break at this level here and a retest of where it broke out. If we do, I will be putting my hand up and trading this for the break below 1850. Silver, I would not be surprised to see this break area break here and get some sort of retest around the $20. So not very exciting, guys. Apologies for that, but you can't make something out of nothing, and it's a real testing time as far as traders go. So please be really careful out there. Do protect your capital and stay safe. Take a profit and don't chase the market. And stay safe with the virus out there. I trust you and your families are all well, and I wish you all the coming week with your trading. Cheers. I'll talk to you in the chat room.